Hey everyone, today I've got a quick tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to change the code on your luggage lock. This is a Travelon 3-dial TSA approved luggage lock, and we'll show you how to change this. So make sure you have your code in there, whatever it's set to right now. Mine happens to be the factory 000, and I can go ahead and open that up just like that. Now what we need to do on this one is rotate the lock 90 degrees just like that. And then we're going to push it back down. And then we can rotate it another 90 degrees so it faces the numbers over on this side, just like that. And then we can change it to whatever we like. So maybe I'll change it to 1, 2, 3, just like that. And we can move this back, pull it back up, and rotate it back and push it down. And now our code is reset to whatever code we like. And in my instance, 1, 2, 3. You can mess it up and you are all set. Go back to 1, 2, 3, and we are all good. And that's how you set the Travelon 3-dial TSA approved luggage lock.